What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve this trigonometric equation, which is saying 2 times sine squared 2 theta minus sine 2 theta equals to 0. And we need to solve it for theta when theta is between 0 to 2 pi. First of all, I need to factor this one. I'm going to factor sine 2 theta. Then we're going to end up having 2 sine 2 theta minus 1 equals to 0. Then I'm going to have two answers. One sine 2 theta equals to 0. The other one, 2 sine 2 theta minus 1 equals to 0. So that's going to result in 2 theta equals to either 0, pi, or 2 pi. And this one is going to be basically sine 2 theta equals to 1 over 2. Which means that 2 theta equals to pi over 6 or pi minus pi over 6. And since it's 2 theta, we're going to have pi over 6 plus 2 pi and pi minus pi over 6 plus 2 pi. So it's going to be 3 pi minus pi over 6. And here, we're going to have 3 more answers because it's 2 theta. So I'm going to have 2 pi, 3 pi, and 4 pi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 theta is going to be 0, pi over 6. Then you have pi minus pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6. Then you have pi. Then you have 2 pi. Then you have pi 6 plus 2 pi, which is going to be 13 pi over 6. Then you have 3 pi minus pi over 6, which is 17 pi over 6. Then you have 3 pi and 4 pi. So these are the answers to 2 theta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to find out the final answer, we need to divide everything by 2. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. Pi over 12. 5 pi over 6 to the over 2 is going to be 5 pi over 12. Pi over 2. Pi. 13 pi over 12. 17 pi over 12. 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi, which if you want you can convert it to degrees. When you convert it to degrees, that's going to be 0. Pi is 180 degrees divided by 12 is going to be 15. 5 pi over 12 is going to be 75 degrees. Pi over 2 is 90 degrees. Pi is 180 degrees. 13 pi over 12 is 195 degrees. 17 pi over 12 is going to be 205 degrees. 3 pi over 2 is 270. And finally 2 pi is 360 degrees. So these are the answers, 9 answers to this question. 2 sine squared 2 theta minus sine 2 theta equals to 0. And we solve it for theta when it is between 0 and 2 pi. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You have access to many other videos, especially in trigonometric equations. You have over 100 videos regarding solving trigonometric equations. If you want to watch other videos, there are plenty other playlists regarding math and chemistry and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.